Hi everyone, this is the Santorini Dave guide to visiting the spectacular geological marvel of Kleftiko on a boat tour in Milos, Greece. One of the absolute best activities to do during a visit to Milos is to sail out to these secluded rock formations that were once a notorious pirate hideout zone. Regardless of where you stay on the island, tours typically depart from the main port town of Adamas in the north or from Paliachori Beach on the south side when winds are high. If departing from Paliachori, a small dinghy will ferry you out to your catamaran or sailboat. All-day boat tours sail past the funky and varied geology along the coast, visiting remote beaches and making snorkeling stops along the way to the main event, the stunning cliffs and domes of Kleftiko. Boats anchor in the main bay here, where you can lounge on the deck or jump off the boat and swim in the crystal clear waters. Most boats then have smaller motorized rafts to explore nearby hidden coves, caves, and tunnels that are unreachable by land or larger boat. Snorkel masks and fins are provided, as well as delicious food prepared on board. On the way home, you'll pass along the gorgeous Firiplaka beach at the base of red, pink, and gold cliffs. And just beyond that, many boats make a brief stop at the unique Sigurado Beach, a small bay which on land is only accessible by a series of ropes and ladders. Milos is a gorgeous island in the Cyclades group, roughly halfway between Athens and Crete. Less well known than its famous neighbors Santorini and Mykonos, Milos is an increasingly popular destination, with picturesque beaches, great food, and a coastline full of charming fishing villages. The three main towns of Adamas, Polonia, and Plaka are in the eastern half of the island, while much of the rest of the island is uninhabited and wild, inaccessible by roads, and only reachable by boat along the coast. As always, you can find lots more detailed information about Milos and the rest of Greece's most popular destinations across the pages of our website, santorinidave.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it with a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, as we are constantly adding new content that will help you in planning your visit to Greece. Thanks for watching.